Alright, so in this video we're going to make side number 5 and 6. I said it would just be 5, but side 5 is the same as side 4 and 1 put together. So I'm going to fly through this just quite quick. I'm going to draw in a circle, make it 10, and I'm going to draw a circle in the centre. I'm going to make that 10 as well. You might have to dimension yours into place. So that's already purple, so I don't need to dimension it. I'm going to click the edge, I'm going to click my centre, and I'm going to put this 12.5 and 12.5. Then rectangular pattern, I'm going to click my geometry is this circle, my direction is this horizontal line and my vertical line, and I need to flip my horizontal line, and I'm going to just make this 25, 25, and finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude it, go to cut, select all my faces, and that's that. So that's very simple, just the same as side 4. Good to practice again and make it again. So my side number 5, opposite of side number 1, I'm going to click onto this face. Now I can do side number 6 with just the rectangular pattern tool, but what I'd like you to do is to use the mirror tool to put in the opposite side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mirror tool. The mirror tool allows you to mirror things. It's pretty self-explanatory, down a centre line. So I need a mirror line for this. So I'm going to go up to my line, I'm going to go and find where it goes green, that's my centre, and draw a line. And just hit escape to come out of that tool. I'm then going to go to mirror, click my geometry, it's just saying select there, but it's the same as rectangular pattern tool, and I'm going to click my mirror line, hit apply. That would duplicate it over to the other side. Then to get rid of that centre line, I'm going to trimming away this, and then I'm going to rectangular pattern, and I'm going to select 2 geometries this time, so this circle and this circle, and my direction is just going to be my vertical line. I'm going to click 3, I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to make these 12.5 for my spacing, so they're all evenly spaced across. Finish my sketch, extrude, same as we've done before, going up to cut and clicking OK. So that's side 5 and 6. Went through that quite quick, but because it's all the same things that we've been doing before, but that's just using the mirror tool, which can be handy in a few situations. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next video we'll look at the fillet tool.